Can you tell me the story about the Bible? What do you remember?
David.
What happened to David?
David is a good boy and then shot the armor. And
What
then
armor?
the Goliath.
What happened?
He died and killed. He be killed. And then now he didn't wake up.
Sino?
The Goliath. He already got killed.
Oh,
He's already killed by a stone.
by a stone.
Because God is powerful.
What else?
Stop watch.
What other story do you remember? Huh?
That's okay na. Bye-bye.
Subscribe, sabihin mo.
Like and subscribe. Do you wanna share?
Yeah?
Someone will do share. Someone will happen. It will make rainbow.
But I need to hear another story before I subscribe. Can you tell me another story?
It's okay now.
No, I want to hear
Stop the record now. Bye-bye. Subscribe.